When considering the Moderna pipeline, we often focus on more distant products such as the personalized cancer vaccine, respiratory syncytial virus vaccine, or mRNA 1020. But one product that may actually be underrated is mRNA 1010. This is the first part of a two-part series. Be sure to subscribe to receive an alert for part 2. Initially, everyone, including the team at Moderna, believed 1010 is just as good as Fluzone, but with the disadvantage of more side effects. I have evidence to support that we are all wrong. In the bottom right corner is a chart of the serological difference between 1010 and Fluzone, the gold standard. If you look closely, strains H3N2 for the gold standard never reach effective levels. Pause. Does this mean the entire world is missing immunity to one of the most common flu strains? Yes. Is it possible Moderna's shot can capitalize on that weakness? Maybe. That would depend on the circulating strains of the last flu season. I specifically searched for dominant strains of the flu in all areas that Moderna was holding a clinical trial. H3N2 was the predominant strain in each region. Not just the southern hemisphere that is resulting within the next 2 months, but also the northern hemisphere that is resulting later this year. But things get even better. Even in years where the strain match was perfect for H1N1, such as 2009-2010, the vaccine was only 50% effective. That's because of something known as egg adaptation. Since they cultivate these viruses in chicken eggs, the virus modifies itself to be more efficiently infect chicken egg cells. This has been thoroughly studied and usually leads to an increase in vaccine efficacy of over 10% if human cells are used instead. But it is more expensive and slower. In closing, the serological evidence supporting Moderna's higher protection against the actively circulating H3N2 strains, coupled with the lipid nanoparticle technology, should allow for significant outperformance of mRNA 1010 against the gold standard. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to catch the next one.